That's right, people, you've seen it on TV. I'm having a manicure, and I'm having it in Somerset. Now, I'm here with Dr. Beatrice Molina at Medicus in Bath, and obviously this is a manicure, but you were saying you can do a lot more with your hands.
Yeah, of course. I don't really do many manicures. However, I can do a lot of things with injectables and obviously other type of treatments.
Now, you were telling me about one particular treatment that can sort of almost rejuvenate the hand.
Our hands is probably one of the places we forget. They're exposed, they get a lot of sun damage, so we get brown spots, we get wrinkles, and with the aging process you do lose some atrophy, so you get some volume loss on your hands. So you can start from anything from obviously first of all getting like a white canvas, so uneven pigmentation, brown spots, with laser treatments or with chemical peels, and then obviously you go a step further, plumpering with dermal fillers, and you can even use different type of fillers depending on how much you actually want to plump just the skin, or actually get even rid of these big veins and tendons we can see sometimes with the aging process.
So apart from your face, what are the other areas that show the signs of aging?
Probably the neck,
yeah,
the chest area, and of course your hands.
Hands.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's great. I've never heard of these types of specific treatments, but obviously they're out there.
They're out there, but I think, of course, most people start concentrating first on the face and they forget about the hands. And it's very important because you can look 10 years younger on your face, but still hands will never lie. So
Bath is very well known for the Roman baths. Now, do you find people love having a beauty treatments here? Because I know the Romans did.
Some people do come to Bath because of the waters, and it's very famous for the thermal spa. But of course, the Romans were quite advanced in all these things, and they used to have a lot of beauty treatments in those days, from the mud bath, obviously the thermal waters, and even before then we started the Egyptians. They started with obviously all the lactic acid and all the other chemicals to use for rejuvenation, and Cleopatra was probably the most famous lady for achieving this.
Yeah, absolutely. So I mean, in terms of Somerset and obviously Cornwall and everywhere around sort of the southwest, do you find, what sort of the top sort of popular procedures people come and see you for?
Maybe because my speciality is the injectables, the dermal fillers and the botulinum toxin. That's probably our #1 treatment. But of course we do get a lot of people for chemical peels and laser treatments as well. Yeah.
I'm here in Crewkern in Somerset. And no, I am not on a modelling shoot. I'm in a dental practice. But why would they need something like this? Well, we're here to find out. So why do you have a photo studio upstairs in your dental practice?
Well, it may seem a bit far-fetched, but what we like to do here is offer patients the opportunity to have photos taken befores and afters for their treatment. We do a lot of high-end treatment here as well as normal treatment, and it's really nice being able to give the patients the confidence and the comfort of knowing that they can have some really nice photos of the nice treatment that they've had.
Yeah, I think it's important because you see a lot of practices and they have little digital camera, and it's sometimes difficult to see the results, but the better the quality of the picture, the better the result they're actually going to see. So it actually, I suppose, it benefits both parties, the patient and yourselves, isn't it?
Well, exactly, and it gives them the confidence to know that what they've just had done is actually very, very good, and they're very happy and proud of it as well.
Great. I mean, we are in Crewkern, in the heart of Somerset. Now, I would usually think of farmers being in the country, but you're probably going to tell me something a little bit different. Yes
and no. You're right, but it's not as stereotypical as that. There's a complete mix of all sorts of different patients down here. It's a very, very nice area. Before I came down here, I wasn't too aware of it either. But again, you get all sorts. You get normal patients who just want normal dentistry done, but you also get the luxury of having all sorts of extras. People are a lot more aware nowadays, regardless of where they are in the UK, about all the different options of things that are available to them.
But do people have bad teeth down here, or do they not? Are they pretty good with their hygiene?
I think they're actually not too bad here. I think they're quite good.
Yep.
I think they're quite good.
So what would you say your couple of popular treatments that people do come and see you for down in Somerset?
We get quite a lot. Our main ones, obviously, would be whitening. We do a lot of it. We've got a good track record of it as well. Everyone's a lot more aware of whitening nowadays with everything going on in the media. And we get a lot of other work such as normal implants, normal cosmetics, And the latest one is Inman aligners, which we've been doing a fair few of as well.
Yeah, no, that sounds really interesting. I mean, I can just see, though, farmers with pearly whites, you know, straightened teeth. But these Inman aligners sound pretty amazing. So they give you good results. And is it straightening, is it?
It is. It's different to, I mean, you've got all the others on the market, such as Invisalign and ClearStep and even the old school train track braces as well. And they work very, very well. But it's nice having a very quick fix approach, which is what Inman aligners are. They straighten the front teeth and they do it within as little as 8 weeks. So it's pretty quick compared to the other ones. So if it's just literally the front teeth you're concerned about, you could get a very nice result very quickly, which is permanent and will last, hopefully, for the rest of your life.